Hi guys, so for today, wait guys. So hello, I'm just unboxing this. So may nido na ako ng real guys. This is not fake. So first, I have a sticker. I have this sticker. Wait na. Wait. So, ngayon lang ako nagkaka-real nido ha. Meron ako nido kaso hindi siya real. And a small cubes. Small cubes ba? Hindi ko small cubes na nakuha ko. Nakon 2 sticker. 2 sticker. So, binili ko yung isa sa friend ko. So, this is real nido. Open natin. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Ang bango niya. Smell good. I like it. First, purple. I'm gonna stack them all up. First, the last green. Ooh. Look at guys. Medyo ma-dirty na siya kasi I shot in the you know that. Kawawa niya. Oh my gosh. I tried to throw him. So ito siya. Green. Blue. Pink. I stuck them all up.